So the question is, can there be a future where biotechnology is important for sustainable agriculture? And the answer to that is it depends on kind of biotechnology, because biotechnology has a wide range of applications, including genetic modification, propagation by tissue culture, production of certain chemicals and products. So in some cases, yes, it is very nice and very helpful because it saves resources such as water, soil, and land as well. And also it facilitates making products in a faster rate, like in a short amount of time with less resources. But on the other hand, if you are talking about genetic modification of crops or plants or foods, then you will have an impact indirect because you don't know the effect of this modification on plants, or I mean on humans, but also what is the effect of these on other species in the environment. We don't know that because we have seen from Roundup that they have an impact. The second thing is, what's the impact of the resources? Even if the product or the crop that is genetically modified has high production of of yield and maybe good quality, but that doesn't come for free because that will be at the expense of the soil and also the nutrients that are available in the soil, sometimes on the organisms on the soil. So there are also consequences on that. My major concern is that any genetically modified plant or crop or even food product is always patented. It always belongs to a certain company or in the hands of the few. I don't want the seeds to be in the hands of the few. I want the seeds to be in the hands of the farmers and to share them freely without being worried of penalties and paying for royalties and fees. So that's my take on biotechnology in sustainable agriculture. I hope this helps. Good luck.